my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Excuse how crazy I look right now. I'm sick, and I just wanted to do this quick little tutorial on these rubber band box braids. And yeah, so if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can keep up with all the videos I post and everything that's going on. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at JalisMariah. And yeah, we about to just go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, hey y'all, I'm coming back at y'all with another video. So excuse the way I sound right now. I'm sick, but I was doing this anyway, so I just decided to record it because why not? And excuse the way I look. I don't have on any makeup because, like I said, I don't feel good. So what I'm doing, is some box braids on my hair. I've had these box braids in for about 3 weeks now. Some of them had like grown out a lot, and I had got a lot of new growth, so I was gonna take them out. But then right now, since I'm sick and I'm real congested, I don't want to take them out, so I'm just gonna redo the ones that have really like grown out a lot. So as I'm doing it, I decided to come on here and show y'all. So I got this hair that I just got from my local beauty supply store in the color 1. It's jet black because I have jet black hair. You know, a color to match my real hair. And the color I got is this, I don't know how you say that. What, boo? Alright, so the kind of hair I got is this, I don't know how you say that, quay, whatever. Pre-stretched braiding hair. It's 18 inches. 100% Canacolon hair, pre-cut, pre-feathered, pre-stretched, and pre-layered. I did not get, what is it, expression hair? I don't know. I don't really care for that hair. I know everybody raves about it. I don't really care for it. Hair that's pre-stretched because it makes the ends look more natural, which is why I always buy pre-stretched hair. I only go for 18-inch hair because I'm not in school anymore and I don't feel like it's pigment. And I just don't feel like it's professional to wear like super long braids to my butt when I'm working a corporate job. So they just stop like right here, which is totally fine with me. So what I have done already is like, you can see I parted my hair into a square and I put a rubber band on it just to secure it. I like using this method just because it makes it easier because your hair is already pre-parted and then the rubber band and stuff. So I just sectioned off. I mean, obviously I just got some regular black rubber bands from my beauty supply store, and I always detangle my hair, put some oils on it. These are my oils of choice, but you can use whatever you like. And yeah, I just got a section of hair. The section you get can be big or small depending on how big or small you want your braid. And I just comb it out to get any tangles out of the braiding hair because you don't want it to tangle up once you start braiding. And so I just take it, loop it around my hair, and I feel it kind of tight but not too tight. And so as you see, the my hair is gonna run out, so I just borrow some hair from each one of the other sections to make like 3 even sections, and then I just continue braiding. And this way my hair will just be braided in evenly and it won't be sticking out at all. As you can see, you can't really tell where my hair stops. So I usually braid mine mostly all the way down to the end. The goal is to try to get mostly all your braids the exact same size, but unless you're a professional and you've been braiding for a long time, you're not gonna get all your braids exactly the same size, and that's okay. So as you can see, I'm still braiding. And I'm doing this in my bathroom in front of a mirror because it helps me to be able to see what I'm doing. And it's better lighting in here, so yeah. So, and it's just, I always leave a little bit of extra hair. And then I just burn the ends. I am gonna dip them, but I don't know. Sometimes like they can unravel before you dip them. So to keep mine from unraveling, I burn off the ends to make sure they don't unravel. I know people are gonna ask like how much did their hair cost. Their hair was like a combination pack where like it was 3 packs in one. It was like a jumbo pack, and I think I paid like $7 for that, and I ended up purchasing 2 of those, which would end up being 6 packs, and I used 4.5 on my, when I originally did my install, and I put some little like, you know, hair jewelry on it or whatever. And yeah, that's about how much it was. So I would say overall this style you can do it for like $20. And as you can see, my part is clean. I don't put like Gorilla Gel, Gorilla Snot, whatever you want to call it, in my parts because like sometimes my scalp can get dry, and I feel like that kind of stuff that has alcohol in it will only like add to my scalp being dry. I don't know, so I just put like the oils that I showed y'all in the beginning of the video. This is what I put in my part, or either some Jamaican black castor oil, and I don't even have it in this bathroom. It's in my other bathroom, but yeah, so that's what I do. And so once I'm done braiding them, I just move them out the way, and so I can focus on the other sections that I'm gonna braid. So I'll show y'all one more, and then that should be it. It's pretty simple. I would say if you do them tight enough, this style can last for at least like 4 to 6 weeks, depending on how fast your hair grows. My hair grows really fast, so yeah, if I don't do mine real tight, it's not gonna last that long, which is why I was gonna take them out today. I've had these in since Thanksgiving, so it's been about 3 weeks, a little over 3 weeks. But since I'm sick, I'm gonna leave them in because I don't want to be washing my hair right now while I'm you know, really congested. So I'm gonna leave them in probably until like Christmas, and then I'll take them out, so another week or so. So I'm gonna just, this is what I got left of my 5th pack of hair. So I'm just gonna section off some braiding here, about that much. Take my comb, and this one has already been parted, and the rubber band is already on it, as you can tell. So I'm just gonna do the same thing again. Put my hair in between the braided hair and twist it around and start braiding. Before I try to borrow any hair, I always make sure like I have a good grip on my roots and everything, and then I'll borrow hair. And I always try to borrow the same amount from each braid, just so the size can, you know, the pieces can look as even as possible. And my real hair is very thick, and I don't want it showing through my braids, so yeah. Anytime I ever see like my real hair or something sticking out, like I always try to go back over those parts and smooth it back in, because you don't want your real hair sticking out. The point of this style is to protect your real hair, so that's what we're gonna do. I took out a decent amount of my braids today. They weren't really itching, I don't know. I just felt like my new growth was too much, so I was taking them out. But my mom was like, oh, you shouldn't wash your hair right now because you're really sick. And I'm like, oh, you're right. So I'm just going to put these back in. And I'm like, why not record it for y'all? I have a really bad sinus infection, and like my sinuses are really like swollen. It's just been all bad. So I just burned that one off, and yeah, there you have it. That's it in a nutshell. I still have some more that I gotta do, but I feel like y'all get it. I'm not really redoing any of the rest of these in the front of my hair. As you can see, I do have new growth, but it's not too bad, so I'm gonna leave those alone. Yeah, so that's gonna be this video. Basically, I'm gonna keep working on my hair, and I'll come back once I'm all done and show y'all my finished product. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm finished with my hair, and this is the finished product. Super neat. I'm gonna keep them up for another couple weeks just because I don't feel like combing my hair, and you move. And my hair is growing a lot right now. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And leave me a note with some comments and some likes. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Jalisa.